A real man washes his hands in oil.
Good morning all. Yo, that is freak cold. The sun is out, but it's still freezing cold. I think I saw on my phone now it's like 7 degrees at 9 o'clock in the morning. It's very cold weather. Right, so we're on our way to Shaun. Finally getting the carpet vacuumed. I'm gonna attempt to do it myself. I can't constantly film and let others do stuff that I'm supposed to be doing. But yeah, hopefully we are shooting the feature tomorrow, because I see it's going to rain. But it's clearing up the afternoon, so let's hope it stays that way, so that we can finish the shoot that we've been postponing for the past couple of weekends due to weather. But yeah, so the reason I want to get this done as soon as possible is my carpet has been like this for the past week. I did put some towels on it to get most of the water extracted, but it's been a shitty one. The car, I've left the windows open a bit. The car isn't smelling that bad anymore, but there's still a bit of smell, you know, in the air. No guys, that's not the burnout. That is my bike. Do a third gear pull here. Oh, that's one thing I enjoy. When the weather is cold, just have like you have an extra couple of kilowatts. Almost there by Shaun. Just this one road is a very bumpy road on his way to him. I actually want to do another ARC coilover review. I know I was supposed to do it after a year, but now after 2 years driving with the ARC coilovers, I think I have to do a review. Someone has asked already on the comments on the previous video. 2 guys I think. But yeah, I'm driving 2 years already on my, can't believe the time flew like this. I think it's 2 years. I'll just go back to the video to see how far back it was when it was installed. But I mean, it's 2 years, so far so good. It's just a pity about the stuff. Oh, Fabian is ook hier so. Fabian. Hallo, hi. Kijk hoe hangen die mannen hieronder. Huh? Ik het gister laas geskeer. Ik het 'n rooi baard. Kijk wie hier. Kijk wie hier en alweer eentje in sy bek.
Ja.
Die man is vroegoggend bezig met servicing hier.
Zoals weer gewoon voor Jordan. Mijn anders veel bij keer en niks te doen niet. Hoor met zijn car service. Ja, ons is nou Mercedes mechanics. Hoor maar jullie AMG's. Ons service het met golfie plugs.
But you need some reliable parts in the car, eh?
Hallo, hi.
Lekker, né?
Alright, en jy?
Alright. So, the day we
It
were
valt to
here
beskan move now.
at,
But now first move.
It's so headquarters. Oh, wat is dat?
Dit is throttle intake voor zo'n V8.
Ja?
The throttle bodies. For throttle bodies.
Oeps.
Throttle bodies.
Ja. Met liefde. Voort. Fabian is nou besig hier om 'n supercharger op die
Hey meneer, ons is alles hier by resistance, ons service karre, we don't back cars ourselves. But yeah, we rather
should start.
we service our own cars. This setup, as you see it here, was my original setup.
That's a KJ,
That's
ne?
KJ-tronic, yeah.
But die ding, Jordans, that's a massive. This is the throttle
That's
body.
more like that. No, throttle bar is at the bottom. That's
So
more
what is
like
that?
that's like a vacuum pump.
Yeah.
But it's more mechanical injection. And then yeah, so this is what my Merc setup used to look like. And this is what gave problems with my car. Struck a whole year be sitting with the car. So Shaun removed this whole unit. Once you remove this whole thing, the throttle body sits at the bottom of this.
Yes, yeah, it's
And then that's how we deleted. So now I've got normal injectors, I've got management running, everything. So if, like it's exactly this engine, same like mine. Just Jordan's a 1.8, mine's a 2.3. So we know already if Jordan's KG trucks are giving problems, we know what to do. Shaun knows exactly what to do. So
Shaun is 'n kortsokkie. Waar is jy my nou? Wat is my nou?
coming out here now. Okay.
Hello, hi. Lekker day to work on cars. Sun is out. We're just busy servicing Jordans Benz. Car just hit 301,000 now. So arrives like a dream. So remember, this is the car we drove to TV with. Doing the oil service, spark plugs, petrol filter, just the basics. Gavin is busy vacuuming. There's ocean in his car. Hey! Hello, hi! So yeah, we're here at Shaun's place. As you can see, all busy and lekker weather to working. Work on your cars, guys, service your cars, do your oil changes. It's very important because it obviously prolongs your engine's performance. There's a lot of guys driving and they hasn't serviced their cars for like years. You can imagine the sludge that's in there. So yeah, we're just giving this a quick service. My car also needs one very soon, and hopefully we can do that next month. So we're still deciding if we're going with this Benz or we're going with my one in October to Extreme Auto Fest. This is this Mustang. Damn it. You can imagine what the petrol burns up in this car. But yeah, Bob's car stinks from the wetness. But yeah, hopefully it's all sorted now. As you guys saw in the last vlog, use the vacuum mode. As you see, you know, Shaun sorted it out, so hopefully no more leaks. We're looking at Jordan. How does it feel servicing your own car for the first time?
If you guys don't on a scut, please. A real man gets his hands dirty.
Wow, it's a real man.
A real man washes his hands in oil.
You really want to you missing it? That's now it. Now we're gonna get the lappy now. Shaun on your heart food. You can just like you wash his hands in oil here. So the whole day after a PC, he gets his hands dirty. And now we're gonna fetch a lappy.
Fetch me a lappy.
Yeah, you see now. So we're just gonna check the brakes quickly. What's the padway look like? We check the front. Still looks good for another couple of, I would say a couple of thousand K still, depending on how heavy Jordan's foot is on the brakes. but it still looks good. So we just check in the rears. I mean, for old car like this, still running disc brakes all around. And I know the guys normally upgrade these to the W124 disc brakes because they are bigger. So yeah, but it doesn't need that much stoppage power because the car's not that fast or anything. How's the rears look? Can't see anything in there. Still got some meat. It's not bad. Disc is also not bad. Hardly got a reach, so if you do need to skim, you can probably still skim it, don't have to replace the discs. But now the pads look good. You guys can't see in there, but basically they still got some meat. I would say probably about 60% of the pads are left over. The bags still look good. Probably the one who still did all the fittings and we did all the air pipes. So this car was that someone decided to bag this car with fuel hoses. Yeah, they must decide to bag a car using fuel hose. So we redid all of that before we went to the PE trip. All the airlines replaced everything. So yeah, but yeah, still looks good.
So before the battery goes flat, got most of the stuff out. Most of the water, but the carpet is definitely going to need a replace. So I'm just letting the sun bake it a bit now, leaving all the doors open. But yeah, we'll catch you guys on another video.
Other guy that bumped into him didn't have
Safe,
insurance.
cheers, Fabi.
Huh?
Catch you guys on the next